If you're experiencing billing problems on WhatsApp, follow these steps to resolve the issue efficiently. This guide will help you navigate the process and find a solution. Step 1. Identify the problem. Determine the specific billing issue you are facing. Common problems include incorrect charges, subscription issues, or payment failures. Understanding the exact nature of the problem will help you address it more effectively. Step 2. Chip payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s/com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Access WhatsApp settings. Open WhatsApp and go to the settings menu. Navigate to the account section and then to payments or billing to check your billing history and subscription status. This will give you an overview of any discrepancies. Step 4. Contact customer support. If the problem persists, reach out to WhatsApp customer support. You can do this through the app by going to settings, selecting help, and then contact us. Provide them with detailed information about your billing issue for quicker assistance. Step 5. Follow up. After contacting support, keep an eye on your email or WhatsApp messages for any responses. If you do not receive a reply within a few days, consider following up with them to ensure your issue is being addressed. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any billing problems you encounter on WhatsApp. If issues continue, consider checking online forums or community support for additional advice.